Hello everyone, Jack here. Welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Welcome to our channel. Listen, whether you want to unlock your inner singer or you're already belting out show tunes in the shower like you're auditioning for a one-man Broadway show, we've got your back. We're going to go on a little journey together, a musical adventure if you will. We'll be covering everything from breathing exercises to warming up those vocal cords, all the way to hitting those high notes like a seasoned pro. Are you ready? Let's do it. Before belting out Adele, let's talk about breathing. Breathing is the unsung hero of singing. Think of your lungs as strong balloons, deep, controlled breaths. In through the nose, hold and release. Practice daily for amazing results. You'll have the lung capacity of an Olympic swimmer. You wouldn't run a marathon without stretching first, right? Your vocal cords are like muscles. They need a warm-up before you sing. Start with simple hums to gently wake them up. Follow with lip trills to get your vocal cords ready. Alright, feeling good? Warmed up? Now let's get to the fun part, singing. We're going to start with the basics, scales. Scales can sound robotic, but they're essential. Think of scales as your musical alphabet. Start with simple scales like do, re, mi, and then tackle simple songs. Try Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. You'll feel great singing a whole song. Okay, this next tip is crucial, but it can be a little scary. We're going to record ourselves singing. I know, listening to your own voice can be like accidentally opening your front-facing camera. A bit terrifying at first, but it's the best way to identify areas where we can improve. Think of it like watching back game footage. You're your own coach now. Listen back to your recordings and be honest with yourself. Are you hitting the right notes? Is your timing on point? Are you breathing correctly? The more you record yourself, the more comfortable you'll become with your own voice. You'll start to hear the nuances, the little things you can work on. And trust me, the more you practice, the better you'll get. We've arrived at our final tip, taking care of your voice. Think of your voice as a precious instrument. You wouldn't leave a Stradivarius out in the rain. Hydrate your vocal cords. Water is your best friend. Avoid excessive shouting. Get plenty of rest. Treat your voice right for a lifetime of beautiful music. There you have it. Those are top tips to unlock your inner singer. Remember, you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Even Adele had to start with scales and breathing exercises. Don't be afraid to experiment, to make mistakes, and most importantly, to have fun. Singing should bring you joy. So go out there, find your voice, and share it with the world. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content. And remember, you've got this. Before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite song to sing and why? Let us know in the comments below. Have a great night or day. Until next time.